calculating differentials, find dw given three variables. Your function is right here. You have x, y, z over x plus y plus z. And to find the differential, you're going to begin by deriving this function in terms of x, add it to the derivative of this function in terms of y, and add it to the derivative of this function in terms of z. So let's begin. dw equals derivative of this function in terms of x. You have, when there's a fraction and you're deriving a fraction, you're going to use the quotient rule. And the quotient rule states that low d high minus high d low over low squared. So you're going to keep the bottom value times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom value squared. So low, you have x plus y plus z. D high, derivative of x, y, z in terms of x is y and z, minus high x, y, z. D low, derivative of x plus y plus z in terms of x is 1. Because when you derive in terms of x, you regard the other variables as constants, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So you do that over low squared, which is x plus y plus z squared. This will be for dx. Moving on to dy, you are going to derive in terms of y, so you have x plus y plus z times the derivative of x, y, z in terms of y, so you have x and z, because the derivative of y is 1, minus high x, y, z, d low, derivative of x plus y plus z in terms of y is 1, because you're only going to derive y, which is 1, over low squared x plus y plus z squared. This is your dy. Now for dz, same thing, x plus y plus z times d high, derivative of x, y, z in terms of z is x and y, minus high x, y, z, d low, derivative of x plus y plus z in terms of z is 1, over x plus y plus z squared. This is your dz. Now, we can simplify this. So for dx, you are going to distribute yz to each values right here. So you are going to have xyz plus y squared z plus yz squared over and minus xyz over x plus y plus z squared. This is your dx. For your dy, you are going to have x squared z plus xyz plus xz squared minus xyz over x plus y plus z squared. This is your dy. And for dz, you are going to have x squared y plus xy squared plus xyz minus xyz over x plus y plus z squared. Okay, and now you can simplify this even further, because you see you have xyz over here and you have negative xyz over here. This will cancel out. xyz over here, negative xyz over here, this will cancel out. xyz over here, negative xyz over here, cancels out. So you are left with, if I erase this part to give you more space, you are going to be left with this should be z squared y. Okay. Y squared z plus z squared y over x plus y plus z squared dx x squared z plus xz squared over x plus y plus z squared dy and x squared y plus xy squared over x plus y plus z squared dz. And now we can factor out the variables to simplify each term. We can simplify this, and this, okay? So to simplify this, you factor out y and z, you are left with y plus z over x plus y plus z squared dx plus. Here you have x squared z plus xz squared. You can factor out x and z. You will then have xz times x plus z, x over x plus y plus z squared dy plus. Here you have x squared y plus xy squared. You can factor out xy, and then you're left on the inside with x plus y, x plus y plus z squared dz. And this will be your answer.